Hey everybody, I'm trying out my iPhone here for the video. The SD cards with between the GoPro and the drone's playing up a little. We're here up at Loch Rannoch. The four amigos have met again. A little bit queasy last night into the day, that's why I haven't done too much video. Just lost a bit of daylight with the travelling, shall we say. And I just get some drone footage up as quick as I could. So hopefully we'll make something good of it. We're going to get some breakfast, we're packing away. Nice peace, stillness of the loch. The birds tweeting away. The autumn leaves falling all around, la-di-da. So we're going to work out the plan, what's happening later today. See where we're hitting the road. Scots wildcamper just chilling after a few hours drive. You're getting a siesta nearly there with the looks of it. We'll get the barbie going. This hot chocolate, Stuart?
Hot chocolate, a lister. Right, and I've got a liberated diesel at a hotel in Hamilton. The one that's next to M&D's, right? The liberated their desk cartridge if they're watching. They're all mine!
They're quite compact in. I'll show you a better view of how we found this spot. But the three guys are packed in with their types of tents and the big wide Southern Cross is here. The GoPros, I don't know what the settings just never seem to do well in low light, even though when I change the settings. Haven't done it. But basically the ex-bed mat's there, the sleeping bag's out. The rest of this gear I'll get inside once I've set up. The other side of the tent's got another space for it all. Great tent, great space. Even in the winter, if we didn't need the nest, you could easily get 3-4 at a push in there. I think it's time to zip it up, keep the air coming inside, but don't want any of the beasties coming.
I wonder how that thing's turning round, the timer's going.
Well, the GoPro can't pick up in the dark, so I'm onto the iPhone now. That's the Bovril made. Singapore noodles are in there as well. Got a little fire going. We're going to put it down there at the rocks, but Mark's wanted today's wee disposable barbecue and cook first. Stuart likes to flash.
I'm doing my bum, Mark. Again, there's people here with video cameras.
Well, Mark, the chef, is giving us the bacon, cheese and burgers.
Hopefully we get around too.
Is it good?
Yeah, good.
We've got Scots wildcamper in the corner. A wee tent.
Rolls, anybody?
Yes, please. Yeah. In there.
Oh yeah, they're cooked. Can they spread some rolls, somebody?
Well, I finally get in my tent to chill. Fire went down, guys are in their tents. It's about 9:30. It's been a long day driving, long day setting the gear up, had the tarp up, some good food. Just in the tent, looking through some messages. We're getting a little bit of a signal here, but then I'm hitting the sack. Love this tent, so spacious yet lightweight, absolutely brilliant. But predicted a lot of rain tonight from 2 AM right through till tomorrow afternoon up this way, so we'll see what happens in the journey back home. If it's going to be some good weather, I'd like to use the batteries I've got left for the drone as well as some photos. So hopefully whatever I have is going to be good. But I'm tired. Just waiting to see if there's another beastie. I've already got ready to outside, so just double check there's nothing else before I turn the light off. So thanks for following me on another journey, folks, and for now it's good night. Well, didn't sleep too good last night. Sometimes it happens. The fact that I was very tired, I was hoping for a good night's sleep, but we're packing up and we're heading off. Mark and Eddie are heading to Arachar Alps. I'm heading home. We've got other plans made. But along the way, if we find some good weather, I've got a couple of batteries left with the drone and maybe get some extra footage. All adds up in the end, what you can do with it. The rain's coming, so I'm going to get this camera off, no waterproofing with it. And Loch Ness has been ticked off the bucket list. Woohoo!